Oh, hi there everyone, it's Steve Robertson from Muddy River Ag here. Today I'm with Stuart Tait from Tait Pastoral Company. Stuart's just recently purchased a Horsch Tiger 3MT office, and just going to ask Stuart a couple of questions. Thanks for your time, Stuart. Just wondering if you can give us a bit of a rundown on your business and what you're achieving here with the Tiger.
Yeah, no worries. So we're family farm here at Mandurama, Central Tablelands, New South Wales. Mixed cropping and cattle business, family business, across 3 properties. And here we are just green manuring a tillage, radish and brassica crop with the Tiger, and planning on planting it to cooler wheat grain harvest. So you'll get green manure today and probably planted to wheat in 2 days' time.
Bit of a hard decision to go and put this beautiful brassica and radish back into the ground, but as you can see, like, the results are just quite incredible, aren't they?
Yeah, that's right. No, we're very impressed with the job that the Horsch machine's doing, particularly in one pass. You know, any other machines that we've tried in the past, you'd have to do at least 2 or 3 passes to get anywhere near this sort of finish. So we're very, very happy with the job that the machine's doing, and yeah, pretty interested to see what sort of results we get from the green manuring compared to, we've got another paddock next door with the same paddock history that we've taken silage, taken the brassica off as silage. So it'll be interesting to see how the 2 wheat crops perform side by side.
Yeah, no, that'll be interesting. You were saying earlier, Stuart, that this has got a bit of a little bit acidic. You've spread some lime here, and and that was one of the main reasons you bought the machine for your other property, wasn't it? To incorporate lime.
Yeah, that's right. That's definitely the main reason that we bought the machine. Previously, we were using offsets and a scarifier and a couple of passes to incorporate our lime. So we wanted a machine that could do that in one pass, look after our soil profile without turning it to powder, and bust up a bit of compaction and do that all in one pass. So that was the main reason that we bought the Horsch, but then it's obviously got a few other uses for us, such as this green manuring. So it's been a good machine.
Yeah, that's good. So you're happy with the quality and the wear factor and everything on the machine so far has been quite good?
Yeah, no, it has. We just finished a paddock this morning on one of our other places where there's quite a lot of rock, basalt country with, you know, quite big rocks, and the Horsch was going down deeper than we'd ever sort of worked any of that country previously, so it was bringing up rock that had never been found before, and no problems, you know, with wear and tear, and the machine handled it quite well. So yeah, no troubles.
That's good. And for your future, you know, going down the track with other crops, that you'll probably continue to use this in a limited fashion, or you'll just make it part of your rotational cropping cycle?
Yeah, we use it as a strategic sort of pass, so it definitely doesn't get used across every hectare every year. It's as I said, primarily for use in conjunction with our lime program. So we're liming our country between every 5 and 10 years, depending on the soil test. So we're using the machine to incorporate lime straight after those applications.
So some of the country that you've done, Stuart, previously, have you noticed any the runoff has been reduced? Have you noticed any that is capturing more water and you're going to save a bit more water?
Yeah, we had some good rain on some of these paddocks that we've done with the Tiger over summer, incorporating lime, and particularly the roller sort of consolidates everything and packs it all down again, quite not too hard, but just sort of firms it right back down so it's not fluffy. So that certainly helped with moisture sort of infiltration, rather than getting too much runoff from heavy showers and heavy storms. So yeah, and it sort of, you know, just firms the seedbed up nicely, and we do a lot of grazing crops here. That's a big part of what we do, sort of dual purpose cropping. So we find it helps those early sown crops seem to fire away better in the cultivated country as well after sowing, so we get to first grazing, get more dry matter and first grazing sooner on the country that's been given a pass with the Tiger.
That's great. No, it just looks a picture out here today. It's great to see. No, all right. Well, thanks so much for your time, Stuart. We really appreciate your time there today, and I think the tractor will be coming back down the road here in a minute. We'll grab a bit more video, but yeah, thanks for your time, mate.
No worries.
Cheers.